Thank you for joining me today at 501 Brady. I'm going to give you a tour of Unit 304. This is a one-bedroom unit on the top floor. I love this unit. You have a ton of space. I'll just turn back around from your entryway. You've got a huge laundry room off to the right here. Has a full-size stackable washer and dryer. Ton of shelving in here. Got your washer and dryer, more shelving. Goes way back. It's got your furnace area here. Each home has its own modem behind that panel, modem and router. So you've got some outlets here, which is nice. You've got the sliding barn style doors. I'll show you from the outside. Gives it a very industrial look. You've got exposed ventilation and the ductwork here for your heating and cooling, industrial lights above. To the left of your entryway is the bathroom. You've got tons of storage in this unit. There's additional storing shelves in the bathroom area. They all have a walk-in shower that has a tiled surround. A double towel bar to hang a couple of towels. You've got your toilets, vanities. Vanities do open up for additional storage. Got tons of space in there. So these are adjustable. You can adjust them according to your needs. It's got concrete flooring. Also gives it an industrial look. To the left here you have the bedroom area, and around you have your living room area that leads into your kitchen. Full kitchen appliance package offering stainless steel appliances. Your refrigerators come with automatic ice makers, above the range microwaves, electric stoves and ovens. There's additional drawer space for storage here in your oven. All of your cabinetry has adjustable shelving. Tons and tons of cabinet and drawer space. You've got lighting here above your sink. You've got pull-out nozzles. This unit has not been cleaned yet, but just wanted to give you a tour. Does have garbage disposals, dishwashers, more cabinets, wraps around to your living room area. You've got an island in the kitchen which offers additional storage and drawers. There are outlets off of the island, which is a nice feature. Off of your living room, you have a walkout balcony. Gives you a nice view. Balconies have outlets that you can use to plug into. Amazing views. You've got a nice view all the way around. There is parking down below. So lots of parking for our residents. We'll go back inside. So here's a front view of the kitchen from the patio area. There are cable outlets on each wall, so it gives you some diversity as far as decorating goes. There's one on the opposing wall. I'll do a close-up of the outlet. A lot of people want to know what it's wired for. All central heating and air. Ceiling fans in your bedroom and your living room area. I'm now walking into the bedroom. You've actually got a ton of space in this bedroom. I'll kind of walk back, show you how much space you have. The video doesn't really do it justice as far as looking at the space, but they all have very high ceilings, a lot of space in the bedroom. Huge walk-in closet. I love these units just because of the storage. They're well equipped with a ton of storage. You couldn't ask for more storage in these one bedroom units. So more industrial lighting in your closet. And your sliding door that looks out into the bedroom with the polished concrete floors. So these doors are the industrial type. They do slide over. So this is a one bedroom floor plan at 501 Brady, one of a few different floor plans. So thank you for joining me and have a great day.